Hello my fans and welcome to my tutorial today. Today I want to show you how to use first principle to solve this particular problem. Say if you use the general formula of differentiation to differentiate this particular y with respect to x, the answer we will get now 1. Now the instructions say using the first principle of differentiation, find the y over the x of this particular function if y is equal to x. So now the y over the x we won't find for this particular one using the first principle. Oh yeah, if not the first time they come, I beg make you hit the subscribe button, like this video. If you don't, they already come. If you find, tell me for tell me for comment section, say if you follow day now. Let me know, I beg. May I like the video. Thank you. So how I want to take run this one. Remember, say I don't do video. The first video I do on this first principle, I show you the derivation, how they derive. I can't come up with this particular formula, say dy over dx equal to limit of dx, limit as dx tends to 0 of function of x plus dx minus function of x over dx. I don't show you how I derive this particular one. If you never watched the video, look up at the link with that. Go watch and then come back and continue. Yeah, I make you run this one now. How I want to take this one? I want to keep them very, very simple. Say from the graph I show you for that video I tell you about, I say the way y they increase, that y-axis as they increase for that graph, the increment in that y they lead to the increment in x. Say dx and a change in x. So as y they increase, now so x they increase. Remember, they don't already tell us say y now this one. So now I make this one the subject formula, make y come this side. So if I make the y the subject of the formula, I'll get x plus dx and minus y when this y come over to this particular part. It enter be. Now the first principle they use, no fear. So what I can do now, remember say we don't already say y equal to x. So anywhere I see y now, I'll come put x. I can say dy equal to x plus dx minus x. In place of this y now, I don't put x because y equal to x. Let me do this one. Now if you say x minus x will be 0. That means this x will cancel out with this particular x. What it remain? Now dy equal to dx. What it remain? Now dy equal to dx. For me to get this particular stuff where they say make you find dy over dx, I will just divide both sides by dx. If I divide both sides by dx, you and me don't carry I say dx divided by dx. That one. So the answer that one. So as it be like this now, I don't use first method to solve this thing. No. It's as a simple reach. Now you now go tell me whether I explain and well. Now still you, now you go help me share this video. Me only me no go fit do am. Now only when you don't like them, the thing will come make other students come see them. The more they like them and they share them and they drop comments, other students will see. If you never subscribe, I will hit the subscribe button now. Turn on the bell icon so that when I upload new video, which one be the new video? A problem 2. And the problem 2 now will begin to increase this power. If I do reach problem 5, we are going to do quadratic functions, still use this first principle. And much later, I come begin to show you how to use the general formula carry the drum. So we need to do this page because I will use page in the break and down. So everything will enter. Before you know, you don't tight for differentiation, I go live for you. And before then you can enter integration. So like this video, I'll be like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace and love.